Want your digital signage to automatically display the latest posts from your website, blog, or social media? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn any content source into a live feed and display it on your screens using RSS.app. RSS.app lets you turn any public web page into an auto-updating feed. So whenever new content is published, it's automatically added. No manual updates needed. Start by copying the URL of the page you want to display, your blog, social media, or even mentions of your brand on Google News. Then open RSS.app, paste it into the RSS generator, and click Generate. RSS.app will extract the latest posts and create a feed that updates automatically according to your plan's refresh rate. Save the feed. Next, control what actually appears on your screen. With filters, you can remove duplicates, hide older posts, or include and exclude content based on keywords, so your display stays relevant. If you want to show content from multiple platforms, you can combine them into one feed using bundles. For example, create feeds from your company's LinkedIn and Twitter and merge them into a single unified stream. Now choose how your content will appear. You can use the XML feed URL for a simple RSS-based display, if your digital signage platform supports it, or open widgets for a more visual layout, like a news wall, carousel, or magazine. These widgets are ready-made. You can use them as is, or click Customize to adjust fonts, spacing, and layout. Then click Add to Website and copy the direct URL. In platforms like Yodec, you can add the widget URL as a web page and display it on your screen. Once connected, your screens will update automatically as new content is published. That's it. You've turned your digital signage into a live, automated content system. Try it today at RSS.app.